Okay, so today we're doing the GPSMyCIty tour of the historical center, and we're starting at Constitution Plaza, Constitution Square,
Constitution Plaza,
Zocalo, and it's starts with a big old flag, and it's surrounded by. Sorry, I'm about to look directly into the sun because I can't help it. A lot of buildings. Okay, stop number 2 on the GPSMyCIty tour is the National Palace. Stop number 3, the Tabernacle.
Religious figures like Ignacio de Loyola, founder of the Jesuit order.
So this is the eastern facade of the Tabernacle and the southern facade. And then directly next to the Tabernacle, the southern.
So according to the website, we're undergoing a massive restoration that should be completed in June of 2021.
And a UNESCO site. Where they talk about Silversmith's Row. So this is Madero Street. Okay. And continuing down Madero Street, we have all the hallmarks of civilization. Starbucks and Krispy Kreme doing battle across the street. At Madero and Filomena. It's another pedestrian zone that goes off to both sides. Okay, so this is 8, the Temple of San Francisco, is that right? So that's the Latin American Tower, which from this vantage point is not super impressive. Okay, but then the Palacio de Bellas Artes, that's pretty impressive. And pretty massive sculptures out front. That's an awesome building. Okay, so then item 12 is the park. And there are several fountains and sculptures in the park. And the park is huge. And apparently there's a market over on that end. And then we come to the final stop, Museo Mural Diego Rivera, and looks not very open. Oh, because we came on a Monday, and they're open Tuesday to Sunday. So there you go. So don't make our mistake. If you're gonna do that, don't do it on a Monday if you want to see the mural.